Hi friends, in this video I will introduce you to a free tool that will recover all deleted or formatted data on your Windows or the data that has been deleted from your storage device. Yes, there is a free tool available which I think is efficient in recovering the data. So straight away we will go to that tool. You have to go to this link. I'll share the link in the description and will pin in the comment. You can access it from there. And once you are inside this page, now from here you can go and download the test disk 7.3 data recovery software for Windows. You have older versions available here. You can go for the latest one, that is 7.3 version. Just click on it. Now once the file is downloaded, you can go to the folder. And it is a zip file, so just extract it. Now open the folder inside it, and you can see that a set of files are inside it. Now before we start, I'm going to install my USB. This is the USB which I am going to add files and format it and then recover it using this recovery tool. So I'm going to add few files inside it. You can see that I have added 5 files, 1 video and 4 images. I'll add one more file, video file. Now I have added 5 files inside this USB, 2 video and 4 images. So now I am going to format this USB. Just right click and format it. I have formatted it and you can see that I have removed everything from it. Now the next thing is you have to head to the files which you have downloaded. The software, just open that folder and here just search for photorec_win. This file, just right click on it and run it as an administrator. Windows may find it as a unrecognized app. Don't worry, you can run it anyway. It will open in a CMD format from where you can recover all the deleted files. It will list all the drives which you have inside your computer. You can see here that this is the one which I am going to work on, the drive which I have formatted. Now you can use the arrow keys to select the drive and click on enter. Also, you can see that the file system is FAT32 here in this USB. You might be having 2 partitions which is having NTFS as well as FAT. In that case, you have to go and find which partition you want to recover. For that, just go to the File Explorer and then just right click on this USB and then select Properties. And here you will be able to see the file system. This USB is using the FAT32 file system. Now once you are confirmed, just go back. Now select the file system. This is FAT32. Now you can use the arrow key in the keyboard to select the file system. Then click on enter, where you can choose the space inside the USB which need to be analyzed. So I am selecting the whole partition. Now here in the next window, it will show the destination to save the recovered file. So you can see that by default the directory will be the test disk, but it is always advised to create a separate folder for recovery files. So I'm going to create a folder here in the downloads. And now you have to come back. Now you can use the left arrow key to change the directory. I have created the folder inside downloads. So I'm selecting it. If you want it easy, then you can select a different drive and straight away you can go to that folder. Here I'm selecting the folder. Once the destination is correct, just click on C. And you can see that the recovery is started and it's searching for the files. Just wait till the recovery completes. It seems like along with the files recently I deleted, it is recovering all the previous files that has been stored inside that USB. So now you can see that it is looking for all the sectors and it has recovered 342 files right now. Now you can see that the recovery is completed and almost 6,234 files has been recovered. So let's go and check the files. You can quit this. Now let's go to the folder. This is the folder. You can see that a set of files has been recovered. Just open the folder one by one. Deleted. So the files that has been deleted recently is in the folder 2. If you open it and go to today's section, here you can see that these are the files which has been recovered. So this is a cool tool to recover all your files and it is all free of cost. So hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.